doctor, he looked at me in the eyes and said,
You have systemic lupus.
Multiple sclerosis.
A heart attack, and I never even knew it.
Chronic inflammatory demyelinating polyneuropathy.
Juvenile myeloid monocytic leukemia.
They called it a maculopathy.
Multiple myeloma.
I knew that I had a stroke.
I started losing my eyesight at around age 32.
I heard a paramedic say, get a neck brace. She has a broken neck.
You could have walked up to me with your pocket knife, stuck me in the arm, never got a drop of blood.
He would wake up every morning wondering if he was going to feel his legs that day.
I remember very clearly what it was like to have no hope.
The way I felt was trapped in my body.
He told me there was no cure for it. That basically I had 120 days left.
Most likely you'll be paralyzed because your disease isn't stopping.
When we were told that she had cerebral palsy, part of me died.
It was kind of just like a punch in the gut.
We really felt that we had a funeral ahead of us.
I really felt that I was going to die.
The doctor sat him down and said,
Only chance of a cure is a stem cell transplant.
Somehow I knew that this was going to change my life.
I felt like I hit the lottery.
I decided to do the stem cell transplant.
And I looked at the doctor and I go, I think you fixed him too good.
That day was amazing.
From day 2 on, I just started getting stronger. Every day was like you just was getting a new shot of life in your arm every day.
Adult stem cells and allowed me to go play with my children.
He's doing amazing now.
Are you seeing this? Like, yeah, I know. Okay, it's not just me, right? No, this is incredible.
Stem cells rock!
I would say this is miraculous.
It really is a miracle.
I am truly a walking miracle.
My name is Cindy Schrader.
Barry Brown. Bill Borland.
Jenny Levine.
Paul Wagle.
Terry Kilman.
I'm Doug Oliver.
An adult stem cell saved my life.
An adult stem cell
Saved my life.
changed her life forever.
Gave me my life back.
Gave me a new lease on life.
Gave me a second chance at life.
My adult stem cell transplant
Saved my life.